In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to an email address in Wix. This is a useful feature that you can include on your website to help visitors easily reach out to you with inquiries or feedback. So let's dive in and set this up. First, you'll want to open up the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand menu and find the plus Add button. Clicking this will bring up several options. From this menu, you'll select Button to add a new button to your page. Now, with your new button created, you can drag and position it wherever makes sense for your website's design. A popular choice for placement might be near a Contact Us section to make it easier for users to get in touch. Now that your button is in place, it's time to link it to an email address. Click on the button to select it. In the button's toolbar, look for the link icon, which resembles a chain link. Clicking this will open the Link Options panel. Here, you'll choose the option for email. This is where you will enter the email address that the button will link to. You can type your email address here, and Wix will format it into a Mail To link that opens a new email message in the user's default email client when they click the button. In addition to the email address, you have the option to preset a subject line. This can be particularly useful for organizing emails or helping the sender specify the nature of their inquiry. For example, you could use something like inquiry from website. Similarly, you can also enter a body text, which acts as a pre-filled message for the user, giving them a head start on what to include in their email. Once you're happy with the setup, it's time to save and publish your changes. Look towards the top right of the editor and click Done, followed by Publish. This action saves your work and updates the live version of your site with the new button settings. Now, when someone visits your site and clicks the button you've set up, their email client will open with the details you've pre-filled. This seamless experience encourages more interaction because you're making it as simple as possible for someone to get in touch. And there you have it. You've successfully linked a button to an email address in Wix, providing an efficient way for your visitors to contact you. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful for enhancing your website's functionality. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!